Your work fills a large part of your life, and the way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. Have you guys started dreaming about your career? If not, here I am giving you an ultimate guide to choose your dream career. How can you do any great work? The only way is by loving what you do. When you do love what you are doing, your work becomes divine. And how can you do that? How can you get your ultimate dream career? With so many career options available today, it can be overwhelming to know where to begin.
Here I have a 5-step ultimate guide to choosing your dream career. Step 1 would be self-reflection of your skills, values, interests, personality, and aptitude. When it comes to skills, we need to look at our personal attributes, build strong foundations, and also look for skills that can be universally applied. A report by the World Economic Forum found that the average half-life of a skill is 6 years, and it is projected to decrease to just 2.5 years by 2030. What are the essential skills that can be considered important for success in the 21st century? There are a host of them. Visit my blog post to know more. The second category of step 1 self-reflection is to identify your values, which can help you narrow down your job search and focus on roles that will align with your values.
You can start by reflecting on what matters most to you and considering how those values can translate into a career. You can also explore job descriptions and company values to see if they align with your own. Reflect on what skills have helped you develop those interests and how they could apply to a job. To identify your aptitude, you can start by reflecting on the tasks or activities that come naturally to you and that you enjoy doing.
The fourth focus of your step 1 self-reflection should be on your personality. Your personality can influence how you approach work, interact with colleagues and clients, and manage your emotions on the job. Finding a job that aligns with your personality can lead to greater job satisfaction and success. For more support, you can take aptitude tests, psychometric tests, speak with your career counselors or coaches, or seek feedback from colleagues or mentors to identify your strengths. First 5 being over, let's start the second 5 set. Now we come to the step 2 of which is career exploration. How to explore different career paths. 5 pointers to this step would be: it can be done by online research, informational interviews or interactions, job shadowing, internships, or even getting a mentor. Exploring different career paths and gaining hands-on experience can help you make a more informed decision about your future career. Step 3 is career planning.
See, for clear and concise, your goals should be specific and easy to.
L in clarity stands for long-term and logical. Think about your long-term career aspirations and set goals that align with your overall career plan. Next in clarity stands for appraisable and achievable. Your goals should be measurable so that they can be evaluated for progress and success from time to time. R in clarity stands for relevant and reviewable goals. The goals that you set should have relevancy to your values, skills, interests, personality, and aptitude, as we talked about in step 1. And reviewable means they should be measurable. I in clarity stands for integrated with your ikigai. Consider your ikigai or your reason for being and ensure that your goals align with your purpose, passion, and principles, as I have talked about in my 4C3P program. Do visit my blog site. T in clarity stands for time-bound and timely goals. Now is the right time to set a deadline for achieving your goals and create a timeline for completing the necessary goals. Finally, Y in clarity stands for yielding successful results. You have explored and empowered yourself, and so you're bound to elevate and excel. Following these ultimate guidelines will definitely lead to success and positive outcome. Step 4 is education and training. Now that you have set your goals, it is time for readiness to prepare yourself for the qualifications that you will need in future. Develop necessary knowledge, skills, discipline, mindset, and qualifications required with specialized education and training for your specific career path. For example, a degree in engineering is typically required for an engineering job. Stay one step ahead in the increasingly competitive job market by gaining relevant education and training, which can help you stand out from other candidates. Moreover, specialized knowledge and education with skills will increase your earning potential also. For further guidance on how to choose the right educational program or training courses, you're welcome to reach me and visit my blogs. The links are given below. Last but not the least is the 5th step, and that is your job search strategies. Again, there are 5 strategies to go for. Go on preparing yourself for the final job search. Again, 5 strategies recommended: writing a winning resume, drafting a cover letter, preparing for interviews, negotiating a job offer, and of course, creating your smart online presence. In this digital era, it will help you build a strong online presence and your personal brand. This will not be an easy road. You will have to get past many obstacles. There is a way out. Pursuing a dream career can be challenging, and it's common to encounter obstacles along the way, like lack of experience, rejection, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs. But these hurdles can be overcome by resilience, persistence, and getting a mentor. Remember to stay positive, focused, and determined.